What if every time you sneezed you didn't just say achoo, you teleported across the world? If this made you laugh or think nah, I'd be doomed in allergy season. Drop a like, follow, and subscribe. Imagine sneezing once, and suddenly you're in Paris. Sneeze again, and boom, you're on top of a Taco Bell in Ohio. Your mom hands you pepper. Now you're in Antarctica. You catch a cold. Congratulations, you're touring the entire planet in one night. Worst part, someone says bless you, and you don't even know which time zone you're in anymore. What if one sneeze landed you straight in your ex's living room? Would you risk allergy meds or fate?